Page 89, Prelude number 20. This is in the key of F minor. 4 flats. Sure you can do the scale in F minor. Cut time, or 2/2 time. And it's going all over the place, and it's 2 lines long. So it's a little longer than the others. But for the purpose of talking about it and learning it, I'm going to put it in 4/4 time temporarily. And then after I've got it learned, I can put it back into cut time. So I'm going to talk about this as though it were 4/4 time, where 8th note gets half a beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's just work out what these arpeggios, the broken chords are. We have 5, 4, 2, 1 here. 4 on that F sharp, and then we have a 1, 2. I'm going to say 4, not 3 on the C, because to me this is the chord and that's the fingering I'd use. Not 3, no, 4. And then here, same thing, and I'll come again. We use 4th finger, and then you come up for the F. It has an 8 VA over it. And then both hands, both stabs are still treble clef. So we're up here. Now the right hand has an 8 VA over it. Here. And then we're going to come down in the next. The notes are here, but it has the 8 VA, so you're up here. And then here. I slide out. And then over here, same thing. Here, now both stabs are bass clef. I do a 2, 3, 5 on the last one. Or here, I don't care what you use. So once you work that out, then you can gradually speed it up a little bit. It's even. It's 1 in, 2 in, 3 in. And then coming down. Take it your speed. Maybe that was too fast. We'll slow it down. Whatever it takes to get it even. Just make it flow. Feel this 1, 2. We want to feel 2 accents per measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, or 1, 2. And that's a staccato. And then coming down again. 1. We'll feel the natural accents. 1, 2. Feel that 1, 2, because when you put it in cut time, that's what it is. In 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then coming down. And then the ending. However, you pretty much have to memorize it, because you don't have time to look at the music and see where your hands are going. You just memorize it. But I mean, the first 2 measures of each line is easy. It's just this arpeggio coming down. It's the chords you got to memorize and get those going. So as far as speed goes, it's whatever you can control and play evenly. That's your allegro. But you want to feel it in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Dynamic wise, they just give an MP. You don't have to play the whole thing moderately soft. You get a little louder and soft. Feel it as you're going up. It's sort of natural to want to crescendo as you go up and decrescendo as you come down, but you don't have to do that. You can put a swell in them, coming, well, I don't know. If you put a swell in it, then you're going to get louder on the first measure and come back on the second measures. And then come back off, or experiment with it and see what you think.